kind of animal am I? I'm a mammal. I'm a mammal. I'm the largest mammal in the world. Where do I live? I live in the ocean. I live in the ocean. I live in the oceans of the world. How big am I? I'm very big. From head to tail, I can grow up to 100 feet. How big is my house? It is also very big. It is also very big. You can compare it to a small car. What do I eat? I love to eat the krill. I love to eat the krill. I eat tons of krill every day. How loud do I sing? I'm the loudest. I'm the loudest. I'm the loudest animal in the world. I'm the blue whale. I'm the blue whale. I'm big, 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 big. In your holiday time, when you have free time, you can learn more about me. Hi, kids. I think...
I look like a fish, but certainly I'm not. I'm actually a mammal. I live in ocean deep, also in tropical seas. The blue whale is the biggest animal. I am the enormous whale with flukes on my tail, and my limbs are my flippers or fins. A layer of fat that stores energy is the blubber under my skin. I don't breathe through gills like fish, but just like you do through your nose. You'll see a fountain flowing out when I breathe in and out through blowholes. A male's called a bull, a female a cow. A calf is a newly born and is nursed by the mother for a time quite long. We share a bond that is rather strong. We are known to sing the whale song. I live underwater most of my life and love to slap my tail and breathe. I eat plankton, fish, squid and krill. I'm known to imitate human speech.
I'm the blue whale. I'm the blue whale. I'm the big, big, big blue whale. What kind of animal am I? I'm a mammal. I'm a mammal. I'm the largest mammal in the world. Where do I live? I live in the ocean. I live in the ocean. I live